So you got your new CODESYS PLC and want to install CODESYS to start programming. CODESYS can be downloaded for free from the CODESYS store that you can find on store.codesys.com. To be able to download from the store, you will have to create a free account. On the front page of the CODESYS store, you will find the CODESYS development system v3 entry. Click on Details to go to the product page. Click on Versions to get the version overview for CODESYS v3. It is important that you just don't download the latest version, but always match your CODESYS version with the installed firmware on your PLC. If you are unsure on what CODESYS version to use, please check with the back-off support first and download the version that you need. After your download is finished, run the installation file as an administrator. You can leave all the setup settings in default to get all needed features and software installed and start the installation. When the installation is finished, it is recommended to update the CODESYS modules. To do this, open the CODESYS installer tool. Be aware that you need administrative rights to install and update packages. When your installation is finished, it is recommended to update the CODESYS modules. To do this, open the CODESYS installer. To be able to install packages and update packages, please start the installer as an administrator. Depending on if you have different CODESYS version installed, you might see just one or more CODESYS installation. Press change in the CODESYS installation that matches the version you just installed. You will now see an overview of all the packages that are already installed. To update these packages, click on Update, and the installer will now automatically check for updates and list them in this window. After all updated packages are listed, click on Update Selected and then OK to start the update. After the package data is loaded, you must accept the license agreement and start the installation. The package installer will automatically download all the packages and install them one by one. When the package installation is finished, press OK. And now you can close the installer. CODESYS is now installed, updated and ready for use.